Alright, check this out. 2001 ZRT 800, fresh restoration. This thing really turned out nice. Excuse my loud kids are in the pool. But man, 1100 original miles. Granted, it was in nice shape, but it'd been sitting a long time, didn't run. Thing just turned out gorgeous. Here's the best part. Completely went through the engine compartment. All the heat shields are polished. Thing just turned out very nice. Like I said, it didn't even run when I got it. The fuel lines were all rotted. Went through the carbs. Good old Arctic Cat muscle.